we addressed the issue of inability to mourn in Japan after World War II and how that it affects to Japanese psyche, especially in responsibility and nationalism in Japan. My name is Ogimoto. I'm a psychoanalyst in training in the Psychoanalytic Training Institute of Contemporary Freudian Society. The title of the paper is Inability to Mourn and Nationalism in Japan after 1945. Our paper is published in International Journal of Psychoanalysis. So in this paper, I argue 3 points. First, background of the paper and occupational policy by GHQ, mainly US military. And third, Japanese methodology. Our book mainly and refer to the book called Inability to Mourn by Mitscherlich, Alexander Mitscherlich and Margaret Mitscherlich. And they argue that after the World War II, West Germany people have not mourned the loss of Adolf Hitler, and that leads various social pathology, such as manic defiance, which appears to the concentration to economic activity after the World War II. And Thomas Plankers and I found the aspect of the inability to mourn can be adapted to post-war Japan, and how it influences to Japanese people's manic defense, which appeared to concentration to economic activity, and also in responsibility and nationalism. After World War II, Japan was occupied by GHQ from 1945 to 1952. General Douglas MacArthur decided not to question war responsibility of the emperor, and he tried to use the emperor as a speaker of GHQ. So in the course of this occupational policy, Douglas MacArthur asked the emperor to declare that the emperor is not living God, but he is human being. So by this declaration, Japanese people lost the object of emperor as living God. And after that, Japanese people has not done mourning work of emperor as living God. Japanese psychoanalyst Osamu Kitayama studied Japanese mythology, Izanagi-Izanami tale, and he developed his theory of prohibition of don't look. I mentioned the summary of the tale of Izanagi and Izanami, and analyzed that Izanagi and Izanami were siblings and couples. They created Japanese island, and they reproduced thousands of the gods. But Izanami died in the reproduction. However, male god Izanagi did not tolerate, and he could not mourn the loss of female god Izanami. So after that, a lot of the tragedy and manic defense occurred. This tale was taught in Japanese education before World War II and during World War II as the legitimate Japanese history. So we understand this inability to mourn is inherited in Japanese society. Thank you very much for watching this video. We really appreciate if you could read our paper published in International Journal for Psychoanalysis. Thank you.